Embark on a journey of curiosity with us. What fascinating questions are we exploring today?
The 4L80E transmission is generally regarded as a strong and reliable option for heavy-duty applications. It's a popular choice among automotive enthusiasts for its durability and ability to handle significant torque. With proper maintenance, the 4L80E can provide excellent performance in trucks, high-performance cars, and even in towing scenarios. However, like any component, its effectiveness can depend on the specific use case and adherence to regular maintenance schedules. For those looking for a transmission that can support high power and heavy loads, the 4L80E is often a good choice.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.